podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, off the beaten track and far from the crowds who rush to see the cathedral and the Gros-Horloge. We are here a few minutes' walk from the marina, between the Émile Duchemin quay and the Richard Waddington quay, to observe a wine cellar. For those who don't know, a cellar is a place on the ground floor where alcohol and wine are stored in barrels. The particularity of this wine cellar is that it was the largest cellar in Europe. Built in the early 1950s, it served as a storage and shipping location for wine from Algeria to Paris via the Seine. In 1968, its activity stopped. For a time, the customs office was located there, occupying the ground floor until 1993. Today, this building, disused, is walled up after having been looted and vandalized, notably due to the pipes and copper it contained. Beyond its title of the largest wine cellar in Europe, its singularity concerns its octagonal interior architecture. It consists of 3 floors containing a total of 250 tanks arranged in a cross which can hold up to 100,000 hectoliters.